In every corner of society, there are women who work tirelessly, shaping the world with their strength and dedication. They are the teachers who mold the future, the workers who strive for their families, the leaders who pave the way for change. These women are not just part of society. They are the foundation that holds it together.
Yet, despite their contributions, many of them remain unrecognized, their efforts unseen. That is why we bring forward the stories of inspiring women who continue to uplift our nation under the theme, Babae sa lahat ng sektor, aangat ang bukas ng bagong Pilipinas.
Leadership, discipline, and resilience. Qualities that define those who step up to serve. In a traditionally male-dominated field, more and more women are proving that they too have what it takes to lead. Today, as part of our Spotlight and Inspiring Women series, we are honored to feature a remarkable young woman who embodies these qualities. She is a fourth-class officer in the NROTC unit of Bohol Island State University, a leader in training, and an inspiration to many. Let's hear her story, her journey, and the lessons she has learned along the way. It's a pleasure to have you here. To start, can you introduce yourself and share your
My name is Richie Puman, Pelang Junior Grade, Deputy Boss Officer, Fort
what it means to be a world-class officer.
What it means? Gusto ko would explain kay being a fourth-class ingatan na kami ang lugay sa mga bata. Pero, asa naman action na ang pag-fourth-class, lagi ko yung kalisod, hindi may malimak ng mga. So, parang hindi layo na pero layo
Next question. What inspired you to join and pursue a leadership role as an ROTC officer?
First job, wala ko na nga mo enter ko ROTC officer kay goal din ako is my dream sa akong gusto nga kuwaon nga course but ngay mga circumstances na wala ko nakuha na ako wala ko na amuse na sa wala ko na curious sa about ang ROTC gusto ko namin try wala na undangin din padayon.
Have you learned so far from your training and leadership experiences?
Ikaw kung nakatunan like leadership, being responsible, talagtaw, dili na mauwaw, kanang responsibility, mabig mo asa yun.
Last question. What message would you like to share with young women who are interested in joining the ROTC or taking on leadership roles?
Ang ako lang ma-advise is namang good code na everything happens for a reason. So, as a woman, ka nang dili na ko ano na mga bias sa woman. Dili na kaya sa bae para sa mga lalaki na dili na kaya mo lead ang bae para sa mga lalaki. But awa may ka nang ibaw may handle og mga tao. Kapag ito kadal sa mga tao nga sa bae dili na gid bae karon bae is more meaningful to them. We can do more.
She represents young women who step up to challenges, proving that leadership is about determination, not gender. Her journey of resilience, facing rigorous training, overcoming doubts, and leading with discipline, sends a powerful message that women belong in every sector, including the military. She serves as a role model for other young women who aspire to lead, showing them that with hard work and perseverance, they can break stereotypes and achieve their goals.
Another woman who continues to inspire the next generation is a future educator. An inspiring educator who not only teaches but also shapes the minds and hearts of students. In her role, she empowers students, imparts knowledge, and nurtures a passion for learning, laying the foundation for their growth and success.
Can you introduce yourself and share what inspired you to become a teacher?
Hello everyone, I'm Griselda Lucino, a fourth-year Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics students. My inspiration to pursue teaching came from my previous teachers, whose dedication and passion for the profession deeply influenced me. Despite the challenges and hard work involved in teaching, I choose this path because I want to guide future students in the learning journey and make a positive impact on their lives.
Next question. As a future educator, how do you empower and inspire your students, especially young ones?
As a future educator, I empower and inspire my students by creating a safe and supportive environment where they feel valued and capable of achieving their goals. I encourage young women to believe in their potential and pursue their dreams with confidence. By being a role model, I aim to show them that education can open doors to endless opportunities.
How important do you think education is in shaping the future of young women in leadership?
Education is essential in shaping young women into future leaders by equipping them with knowledge, skills, and confidence. It empowers them to break barriers and contribute meaningfully to society. Through education, young women can realize their potential and lead with purpose and vision.
Last question. What message would you like to share with aspiring teachers and students who dream of making a difference?
Okay, to inspiring teachers, stay passionate and committed because work shapes the future. To the students, never stop dreaming, learning, and striving to make difference. Together, we can create a brighter world through education.
Well said. So thank you so much.
As a student teacher, she does more than just teach subjects. She instills confidence, empowers young minds, and nurtures the potential of every student. Her dedication to guiding learners, especially young women, inspires them to dream bigger and believe in themselves.
In every sector of society, women are making an impact, leading, teaching, inspiring, and proving that their presence is not just needed, but essential.
Whether in the field of service and discipline or in the halls of education, their strength, resilience, and dedication shape the future of our nation.
Their stories remind us that progress happens when we break barriers, when we uplift one another, and when we recognize that leadership and empowerment have no gender. Because when women rise, so does the entire nation.